Hello, welcome to another video. I'm being semi-decent for once and I'm actually recording. Today, on Visual Code Studio, as you can see. Today, we are going to I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a website. So, we're going to select a language. We're going to be using some basic HTML. So, I'll just put HTML in. Because I know how to code HTML to a half decent level. Unlike your nan. She put a good code if she watched this video and watched it all the way through, which you should do if you want to learn how to code. If not, if you don't want to learn how to code, you just want to hear my lovely voice. Yeah, you can hear my lovely voice other places as well. So like, comment, and subscribe to hear my lovely voice every day of the week. Anyway, let's just start off. Oh God, it's not even typing. There we go. Start with a basic HTML tag, and then you put. So actually, for reference, I'll open up my old website and then so I can actually remember what goes next. Website.html, here we are. Header title, here we are. There you go, header. And then it's then you can put, I don't know, video. Then you scroll down, you put body, and then you can do P, which is for paragraph. Then you can write your text insert. You don't have to do P, by the way, you can kind of do what you want. So if I want to write this website is video. Oh, no. And then you go to, if you do it on Visual Studio Code or GitHub or whatever, just press save. Then I'll do this as a video. And I'll save it to documents. Then I can go into my files, which is previously opened. There's my documents. I'll see video.html. It'll give it a minute because it's obviously a brand new thing to go on the web. And when it chooses to load, that's what you get. You can obviously do a bit more. So if we go back on here, I'll show you. You can use something called H1. So we'll go into P again. I can go above P. H1 is for header 1, so H1 is the biggest one, H2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 is the smallest. I'll go H1 video stuff, and then I can just flip back here. You can put images in, whatever, but let's copy this bit in. Actually, that has to be this whole bit there. I'll show you that. The reason I'm not showing you my old website is because it's a bit of a mess at the moment. Some parts work, some parts don't, so I just do that. And now I can close that web page, or I can just refresh it. See, here we are. You can highlight stuff with mark class, and then to end it all, I don't know how it's ended actually, you have to do, and there we go, you have made a website. It'll only ever show, the URL will never change unless you get a GitHub page or something. I'm not recommending you go and make GitHub pages for the sake of it, because they are a lengthy thing to make, but if you just want to make a basic website where you can show your nan that you can document stuff and, I don't know, just make it for like a school project, it's pretty cool. You can make I'll show you something. You can do something in CSS on it. But yeah, you can like make style sheets, like okay, I don't think I've saved it. So yeah, you can also, on here, so on this one, I'll boot up into that one actually. So I'll see if I can show you that. Download. It's my old website. So you can do all this fancy stuff. You can do. I just copied loads of Wikipedia stuff. So yeah, I just let you show a little bit of a look there. In Visual Studio Code you can do all sorts really. So you can do this as well. This is CSS. That is how you make a very, very basic website. I'm not telling you this is the most extravagant thing you're going to see, because even if I went to Pornhub even, they got a freak. Look, this is basic HTML here on Team C's website. So this is quite basic. This is quite basic HTML. That's basic. That's very basic HTML. So is like all of the other basic websites, but they all started off looking very similar to this. But on that note, before I indulge in looking at more Team C's, yeah, go to Team C's. But by the way, I'll put in a donation. I was debating yes about putting in a £3 donation, but here we are. For you guys at home, I'm not going to fill it. I'll put in my display name of FCHD degree. So now I'll have to do this off camera, but yeah, on that note guys, hope you enjoyed. Play, enjoy, leave your entertainment days. See you in a bit. Peace.